don't need to do cans. A couple of quick different examples of things to do. Say if I want to do a robot, you can have this little cylinder for its head. Cylinder for its neck. Cylinder for its body. Cylinder arms. I can even give it some cylinder legs. So the cylinder robot, pretty simple. Give it claw hands, make more stuff on it. Whatever. Cylinder cake. If you want to do like a wedding cake type thing, you just got one cylinder, top of another cylinder. So we got just different boxes, stacked on top of boxes, and then you go through and do the same method where you give it the same curve. Up and down the entire cylinder. So that's two cylinders. Make it let's get some. That just broke. This will stand as it sits on another layer of cake. You gotta get the idea. Throw some candles in. Each candles could be cylinders, and so on and so forth. Cylinder spaceship. I mean, you could do so many different types of cylinders. It does not need to be just different cans, but anyways, you got a cylinder. And maybe give each its own engine, its own cylinder. A little cone. As it blasts into the blast away into the somewhere in the universe. I mean, there's so many different ways to do cylinders. You don't need to do just cans, but you can do cans.